Okay, this is the scarf procedure, and it's a pretty easy one. But to help you remember, I put a scarf on the metatarsal heads, okay, to keep them warm. Now, it's pretty easy to remember because it's just such a weird cut. It's a Z osteotomy through the shaft of the metatarsal. So in that image on the left, you're looking at the lateral metatarsal, and it's literally just a Z down the shaft, okay? And then on the right is the AP view of what it looks like after you cut it. You slide it over to correct the IM angle, and then you have this overlap here on the left side of that metatarsal that you can just kind of trim off, okay? So it's a Z-type osteotomy through the shaft of the metatarsal. Now that's unique. There's not a lot of shaft osteotomies. There's the Mao, the Ludloff, and now this, the scarf, okay? So shaft procedures are for moderate bunions or an IM 12 to 18 degrees, okay? So, and another high yield point is that the highest risk of the scarf osteotomy is troughing. Now, to describe troughing, imagine a log and it's hollow inside, like my hands. So you're looking down the shaft of a hollow log. You cut it in half, just like the Z osteotomy, right? So you have these two C-shaped halves, and then you slide it over and you put them back down, and what are you left with? Well, you're left with kind of like the bark, the edges of the log don't line up, and so it's kind of not stable. It's troughing. The cortex of the top one can roll into the bottom one, and that's not good for healing. You want the cortices and the periosteum to line up well. So high yield troughing, okay? So again, this is a scarf osteotomy, pretty easy. It's just a Z osteotomy of the shaft of the metatarsal for moderate bunions, and that's it.